This is example 3 of lesson 1.1, the four operations. Saul's mom and dad took him to a basketball game for his birthday. He was allowed to bring 4 friends with him. His parents bought $24 tickets for each of the 5 boys so they could sit close to the court. The parents' tickets cost $10 each. They must have been sitting up in the nosebleeds. Find the total cost of the game tickets. We're not given an expression here. We have to puzzle it out ourselves. So let's read the problem and find the important information. As we read through this problem, Saul's mom and dad took him to a basketball game for his birthday. It's cool, but it's not important for the math problem. He was allowed to bring 4 friends with him. He brought 4 friends, so that's going to be a total of 5, which we also see in the next line. His parents bought $24 tickets for each of the 5 boys. So $24 tickets for the 5 boys. The parents' tickets cost $10 each. And we know that it was his mom and dad, so I guess there was important information up there. Mom and dad. So we've got 2 parents, $10, and $24 tickets for 5 boys. So, how are we going to solve this? Well, the first thing we need to do is write out our equation. And we are having 24 tickets for each of the 5 boys. Now, I could do 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24. Or I could do 24 times 5. And the parents is going to be 2 times 10. And they're being added together because we're trying to find the total cost. So that's going to be plus. And now we have an order of operations expression to solve. And we know our order of operations. Write it over here this time. Jam. Das. And we're just focusing on the bottom 4. Multiply, divide, add, and subtract. So we're going to start with multiplication and division. And we don't have any division, so we're going to multiply. 24 times 5. Well, 20 times 5 is 100. 4 times 5 is 20, so that's going to be 120. 120. Plus 2 times 10 is 20. And so now I've got an addition problem. 120 plus 20 equals 140. But I'm not done yet. 140 what? Well, we're talking about dollars. So $140 total. I'm not good at writing today, but that's all right. So, notice again, my problem looks a bit like an upside-down triangle. I started with the full problem, and then I slowly simplified as I went down. This is called simplifying also, by the way. I know we talk about simplifying fractions when you divide the top and bottom of a fraction. But this is simplifying an expression, combining like terms, and we'll get to that later. But my working out should look like a bit like an upside-down triangle.